Myself, Anil Parmato, lecturer in Inter Marwari College, Ranchi. Today we'll discuss dual nature of matter. Louis de Broglie in 1924 proposed that just as radiation or light have particle nature, the material particle are also associated with wave nature. He also gave a relation for the calculating the wavelength of wave associated with a particle of mass m moving with velocity v, lambda equal to h by mv. As we know from quantum mechanics, E equal to h mu and E equal to mc square from Einstein's relation, energy mass relation. Now equating from equation 1 and equation 2, we get mc square equal to h mu and mc square equal to hc by lambda. As we know that frequency is equal to velocity divided by wavelength, so we can write in place of mu c by lambda, and mc square equal to hc by lambda and lambda equal to h by mc, where c is the velocity of light. De Broglie pointed out the same equation might be applied to material particle by using m for the mass of particle instead of mass of photon and replacing c, the velocity of photon, replacing c, the velocity of photon by v, the velocity of the particle, then lambda equal to h by mv. And as we know that mass into velocity is momentum, so lambda is equal to h by p. Again, we know that kinetic energy equal to half mv square, so we can write lambda equal to h by square root 2 into into kinetic energy into m. De Broglie De Broglie's proposal was confirmed after some experiments which confirmed both particle and wave nature of electron. Particle nature of electron. Electron, pro, electron produce a spot of light on the zinc sulfide screen, and each striking electron produce only one spot. This suggests that the particle nature of electron and wave nature of electron. This was confirmed by the diffraction pattern obtained, which are a characteristics of waves. The matter wave is associated with every moving body, even with us also, but it is not measurable because lambda is proportional to 1 by m. Higher is the mass, smaller will be the wavelength, and we cannot measure them with accuracy. So it was concluded that all moving objects along with the particle nature possesses wave character also. The particle nature possesses wave character also. A question: calculate the wavelength of associated with cricket ball of mass 150 gram traveling with velocity 25 meter per second. As we know that lambda equal to h by mv, and now we put the value of h, m and v. So lambda equal to h, where h is a Planck's constant, so lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second divided by 150 divided by 1000 into 25. On, on calculating, we get 1.766 into 10 to the power minus 34 meter. Now the next is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Heisenberg gave a principle in 1927. The principle is known as Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It states that the position and momentum of microscopic moving particle cannot be determined simultaneously with accuracy or certainty. If an attempt is made to measure any one of these quantities with high accuracy, the other become less accurate. Mathematically, this law is expressed as delta x into delta p is greater than equal to h by 4 pi, or this can be written as delta x into m into delta b is greater than equal to h by 4 pi, or delta x into delta b is greater than equal to h by 4 pi m. This means that if the position of particle is known with certainty, then its momentum will be uncertain. On the other hand, if the momentum is calculated with certainty, then it is impossible to know the position of the particle with certainty. Question: calculate the uncertainty in the velocity of an electron when the uncertainty in its position is 1.012 into 10 to the minus 12 meter. As we know that delta x into delta v is greater than equal to h by 4 pi m. Now putting this value, the pi equal to 3.142 and delta x equal to 1.012 into 10 to the minus 12, then delta v is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the minus 34 joule per second divided by 4 into 3.142 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, which is the mass of electron, into 1.012 into 10 to the power minus 12. Then the result will be, then delta V is equal to 5.72 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Thank you.